Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Fatimah Nurlaili with my friend Fadilah Sukma Sastriafi from Group 2. We will present Pancasila or 5 principles. The first, the definition of the Pancasila. The name Pancasila consists of 2 Sanskrit words. Pancasila means 5 and Sila means principle or principle. Pancasila is formulation and guidelines for the life of the nation and state for all Indonesian people. Pancasila is basis and ideological foundation for the Indonesian nation. This means that every value contained in Pancasila must be used as the basis of state life. The five precepts are almighty good health, justice and civil humanity, Indonesian unity, democracy led by wisdom, deliberation or representation, social justice for all Indonesian people. Opinion of several figures. 1. According to Notonegoro, Pancasila is basis of the state philosophy Indonesia. So it can be concluded that Pancasila is the basis of the philosophy and ideology of the state that is expected to become the view of life of the Indonesian nation as a unifier, a symbol of unity and as the defense of the Indonesian nation and state. 2. According to Muhammad Yamin, Pancasila comes from the word Panca, which means 5, and Sila, which means join, principle, foundation, or arrangement, important, and good behavior. These Pancasila are the 5 bases containing guidelines or ruler about behavior that is important and good. 3. According to Insinyur Soekarno, Pancasila is soul of the Indonesian people that is cleaned downward that had been buried mud for centuries by Western culture. This Pancasila is not only the philosophy of the state, but more broadly, namely the philosophy of the Indonesian nation. Pancasila as the state foundation. Pancasila as the state foundation. Pancasila as the basic of the state means every join the constitutionally of the Republic Indonesia must be based on Pancasila values. This means that Pancasila must always be the spirit or power that animates activities in shaping the country. Setioso stated that the concept of Pancasila as the basis of the state was proposed by Soekarno-Hatta in his speech on the last day of the first session of BPUPKI 1 Juni, which to make Pancasila as the basis to state philosophy or philosophic grounds like for the Indonesian state day. This proposal was accepted by all members the trial. The result of the next trial are discussed by a small committee 9 and product the formulation Preamble Draft Law Basic 1 Juni 22, which was followed by Muhammad Yamin, was suggested to be given the name Jakarta Charter or the Jakarta Charter. Therein is Pancasila in paragraph 5. The Jakarta Charter subsequently endorsed by the Preparatory Committee for Indonesia Independence became the preamble to the Constitution by experiencing several changes. At the same time, Pancasila was passed as the basis of the state.
Principles are basic ideas that contain truth in the form of doctrine or assumption which are translated into laws or social arrangements which are used as the basis for determining attitude and behavior. Principles are held as a reference in determining the choice of a thought or action, determining thought pattern and action pattern so that they will color the behavior of those principle holder. Example of principle that we would understand include what is important is the achievement of goal, while mine are meaningful or goal justice and mean. In foreign language, we often hear the expression, the end justifies the man. All is well that end well. There is also the principle that solving problem is by not resisting with force. If you are hit on the left cheek, turn your right cheek. There is also a principle which states that peace will only be realized by total service, like a candle which burns out to illuminate the surrounding. However, there are those with the principle of justice that will be realized if a violent action is taken. If someone kills, must be repaired by being killed. In everyday life, a person who does not adhere to a principle, his actions are unpredictable and directional, depending on the wind blowing. This kind of person is said to be a person without principle. In his speech on June 1, 1945, Bung Karno mentioned the principle is Pancasila as the principle of Indonesian life. Pancasila in English is called the five principle. Thus, the principle in Pancasila give a pattern to the mindset and action pattern of the Indonesian nation in face all its problem in life. Pancasila or five principle. The concept in one good mindset attitude and not the Indonesian people refer to the principle contained therein. People are free to think, are free to try, but are aware and believe that in the end word determines everything is good. I'll make man propose but could dispose, so that human are willing and seen to be regulated. In determining a choice of action, a person has freedom, but this freedom must be accounted for and has consequence for his choice of action. In determining the choice of action, one refers to the relation of harmony and the preservation of the universe. To just and civilized humanity profit. A reference that in think, feeling, and action, human always please other human as partner according to their dignity. Their right and obligation are respected in a civil manner. Thus, there will be no operation or extortion. All joint activities take place in balance, equality, and willingness. 3. The unity of Indonesia, the mindset, attitude, and action of the Indonesian nation always refer to the fact that the Indonesia state is a unitary state from Sabang to Merauke. We acknowledge that this unitary state has various diversity in terms of religion, custom, culture, race, and so on, which must be positioned proportionally in the unitary state. In the event of a conflict of interest, the interests of the nation are placed above personal, group, and regional interests. 4. Community led by wisdom, wisdom in deliberation, representation of ideas, instruction in thinking, behaving that the sovereign in the Republic of Indonesia are all the people, so that the people must be positioned with respect in the life of the community on state. The aspiration of the people are used as the starting point for the formulation of collective agreement by way of deliberation. If an agreement cannot be reached by deliberation, then voting is not prohibited. A collective agreement binds all parties without exception and is obligated to realize the agreement in determining a collective agreement. It can also be reached by way of representation. 5. Social justice for all Indonesian people provide a reference for the attitude and action that what the Republic of Indonesia want to achieve is physical and mental well-being for all Indonesian people without exception. Talk that let the relation of one-sided welfare are not justified.